Okay, hello everyone. Clarke Towson here. I'm the CEO of INTJ Billing. In this video today, I'd like to talk a little bit about how to create passport photos using the Instax Share SP-3 from Fujifilm. Now, this printer is a fantastic printer. I just bought one and I'm using it to print out passport photos of myself. So I don't need to go to like any shop or anything like that to get passport photos done. I can do them right here at home. Now, the interesting part about this printer, it's small enough to travel with. It's got a battery, and you can send photos directly from your mobile phone to the printer for instant printing onto film. Okay. Now, the film is this Fujifilm Instant Film Instax Square. Interestingly, this printer, you see here where it says supported image size, 800 by 600 dots, that's actually quite high a resolution for a portable printer, okay? That's why I bought this, specifically for taking passport photos and for helping me with the, or for doing the KYC and AML process for my company, INTJ Billing. Now, this printer, okay, I've made this video, okay, because it's not that easy to set up to use it as a passport printer, but I've narrowed down the apps that you can use. Now, this is for people who are using iPhone. What you want to do, you want to get yourself this passport photo app that's available in the store, the Apple Store, Pixelmator, and Instax Share. So these are downloadable via the App Store. We open Pixelmator, okay? We open a template. Now I've created this template that's the perfect size for the printer, as well as the perfect size for the passport photo. We take our passport photo, we place it into this square, we get the sizing exactly right, so it fills up the square exactly, and that will create the perfectly sized passport photo for both the Australian and the Thai government requirements. Okay. Then we can save this photo. We can save the photo to our photos folder on the iPhone. Then we open it up in the Instax app. We open it here, and we can print it off. So here we go. We're opening up in Instax Share. And we open the photo. As you can see, there's white space around it. And then we send it to the printer. So we connect to the printer wirelessly. You have to connect via its Wi-Fi point. It starts printing, and you'll see here in the video that's about to start where I print it off. Now it takes a couple of minutes, about 3 minutes, before you can actually see the photo, okay, before it develops. But the size of that is perfect for the Australian and the Thai government requirements. Right? So that's how the process works. So you need a template, as you can see here. So it's a little bit overexposed. That's just this main photo, but you can see that that it printed the perfect size. Now on the INTJ Billing website, if you go all the way down to the bottom, I've provided a link here, Fujifilm Instax Australian and Thai passport size template. You click on that, you can download this to your iPhone, and this is the perfect size template to use for this Instax printer, so that you can print off your own passport photos. So this is very useful for travelers, people who are, in Thailand and travel a lot and don't want to have to go to a print shop or do anything like that. You can just do this in the comfort of your condo, and you could also go to immigration with the printer, and if the need be, you could print out a photo of yourself right then and there, right? You just got to make sure that you've got this passport photo app. So you take a photo of yourself with this, And for illustrative purposes, my photo was against a green screen. You want to take it against a white screen or just a white background. Make sure you do it against a white background. So you need this passport photo app. Okay, you need Instax Share, and you need Pixelmator. Okay, and that's how you do it. And of course, you need the template. But yeah, it is a little bit fiddly to do this, but I can see this process would be useful for quite a lot of travelers, and that's why I've made this video. And because it is fiddly, I thought, well, not many people would have done this, so I'll put out a video on how to do it. If this video becomes popular, I'll make a more in-depth video to show you every single step along the way. I have made up a procedure on how to do this, and I've got it down to a fine art. But just for the time being, we'll see how this video goes. See if people are very interested, just like I am, with using this particular printer to do this process. All right. All right. All the best, everyone. I'm Clarke Towson, CEO of INTJ Billing.